you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of an archive? What happens between you dropping your document request slip in the tray to that magic moment when you receive the document you ordered? Our intrepid archivists navigate our storage vaults, which contain over 20,000 record boxes. Put end to end, these boxes will stretch almost 4 kilometers. Now that's long. It's hard to work up a sweat in our vaults because archival collections need to be stored in a controlled environment with a regulated temperature between 13 and 20 degrees Celsius, and humidity must be kept between 35 and 60%. This old jail has been used as a county archive since 1972. The earliest document stored here dates from 1138. Each item is unique and irreplaceable and should be handled with care. Staff will advise on the best way to do this. Happy viewing!